Hey, what's happening, my friends? Paul with Back to Primal, and it's another move day. Find your primal flow. This is primal flow number 2. If this is your first time stumbling on the Move Primal Flow series, go back to the first video. That way you kind of get a gist on what the series is all about. Remember to note, there are no prescribed sets or repetitions. This is all about just moving our body. Even if it's just moving your body for a minute or moving in for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever amount of time that you have for it, we're just keeping our body moving, keeping it strong, and keeping it mobile. For today's flow, we'll be moving through a couple of basic crawling patterns, so get ready to get down onto the ground. We're beginning in the quadruped position or beast position, and we're going to go ahead and crawl 3 steps forward, and then we're going to thread that leg underneath and kick to the side. Go ahead and take another 3 crawls forward, and then thread the opposite leg under and kick to the other side. Now you can do this for as many steps as you want. If you have a whole field, you can crawl forward in the beast crawl the entire length of the field, or just do a few. This is the first half of the flow, and we're gonna get ready to turn it around into the crab position. From the crab position, we're gonna again take 3 steps forward, and then we're gonna touch opposite foot, opposite hand, another 3 steps forward, and then other opposite hand, opposite foot. And again, just like the beast crawl, you can go as long as you want, or just do about 4 to 6, and then flip it back around and repeat. So let's go ahead and flow this out together for about a minute or so, minute or two. And what I like about this flow, and really this whole series, is you don't need a whole lot of room, a lot of space to do these flows. You can use a lot of space on this one if you want to, but you don't have to. So even if you're in tight quarters, you can still get your movement practice in, even with flows like this. Let me know down in the comments, which of these 2 positions do you find to be more challenging for you? The beast or the crab? All right, there you got it. That is this week's Move Primal Flow. Have fun exploring this one. You can add in more, you can take stuff away, and just do what feels good in your body. If you want to make this one more advanced, go extra slow in your movement, and that will really start firing those core muscles even greater. If you want to amp up the difficulty by really getting the heart going, then speed it up. All right, that's it for this one. I'll see you in our next Move Primal Flow session.